Getting my dream partner. I am Dr. Shweta Jaswal, a cute girl with friendly nature from Punjab, India. I am 27 years old and a dental surgeon by profession. The secret has gifted me every abundant thing in my life. Everything I have ever wished for was gifted to me with love. I am here to share my story of attracting my loving, caring, and handsome life partner I had always wished for. Thank you. Right back 5 years ago, I was single and adored the beautiful relationship of the people around me. I always wanted a wonderful relationship with great understanding and full of love and romance. I came across a guy named Rajat at my cousin's wedding in Agra. We were too busy enjoying the wedding that we just noticed each other only once. After the wedding, I came back to my place in Chandigarh. We became friends on Facebook and we exchanged our numbers. We had a great time talking to each other and getting to know each other by exchanging calls and texts. I was doing my internship in BDS at that time. Then my degree was completed and I came back to my hometown. We kept talking to each other, but due to some priority purposes, our talks became limited, and after that, due to some differences, we just stopped talking to each other. There was no contact for approximately a month. I was preparing for my master's degree at that time. It was a difficult time because it was hard to get over something so easily. A person you used to talk to daily and suddenly it was all gone just because we were so distant from each other. At that time, I read the book The Secret and started practicing the law of attraction from the book. All I thought at that time was positive thoughts between us. Positive affirmations were the things that made me happy at that time. And suddenly, one day, I got a text from him. This was after a month that I received a hello from him. He apologized for being rude to me and he told me that he missed me a lot. The text he had written had a bold sorry from him and he wanted me in his life again, and that too in a form of his life partner. I was so happy that I thanked universe for the miraculous gift I received from it. The secret really worked. I attracted him in my life, and that too with double of love and affection. We started our relationship on 20th Feb 2012. Our relationship was so good with some ups and downs that we sorted out by the use of the book The Secret. But we wanted our relationship to end up in marriage. The big thing that was bothering me was talking about my relationship at home. I again used The Secret here by writing down the affirmations that I talked to my parents, and they were very happy with our relationship. Rajat had also convinced his parents for me. The miraculous thing that happened was that when I talked about him at home, my parents really got happy about him and wanted to talk to his parents for our marriage. The secret again worked for me and everything settled easily. He is doing his MBA and our engagement is done and we are getting married next year. This is the most beautiful thing that is happening in our life. The secret is the tool or magic wand that helped me in achieving all my goals and fulfilling all my dreams. Yes, dreams do come true. I am a magnificent being. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, for every gift as a blessing in my life. I want to thank the team of The Secret. Thank you for making more and more of people aware of how to apply The Secret in their lives and making life abundant. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So if you like the video, please press on the like button. Subscribe this channel to listen to more manifestation and increase your belief in universe and yourself, and share the video with your friends and your loved ones to make your life as well as theirs better. And also comment your favorite part of each manifestation. Thank you for watching.